Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Salesmate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Salesmate CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Salesmate CRM account? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking and managing your various leads and prospects is very important. And with Salesmate CRM, it's a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, Salesmate.io. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up their website, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, they're going to give you a little bit of information on what you can do with their CRM. However, in order to create a new account, click on one of these buttons, try for free. Okay, once you do that, you do need to enter in your email address, or you can sign in with your Google or Microsoft. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my email and then click on get started. Okay, I entered my email. I'm going to click on get started. Okay, next, in order to sign up for a Salesmate CRM account, you need to enter in your first name, last name, phone number, create a password, and also which country you're going to be using this software. Okay, I entered the required information. I'm going to click on next. Okay, next, Salesmate's going to ask you a few questions about your company. So go ahead and choose your industry. So let's see, business services, company name, and then you need to create a domain. So you're going to have a subdomain under salesmate.io. So make money, Anthony. Okay, go ahead and click on next. Okay, next they sent me a confirmation code to my email. So I'm going to grab that code and enter it in here. Now they're asking me how big is my organization. So I'm going to click on one and next. Okay, now they're asking for my position in my company. Okay, now they're asking what I want to use Salesmate for. So lead generation. Now they're asking if there's any other CRMs that I use. I'm going to click skip this step. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. So now I have created my Salesmate CRM account. So I can go ahead and start importing my contacts or putting deals together. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Salesmate, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.